Okay, so this is my first real test of wireless mode. So I've tried it with water just to make sure the basic functionality works, but I haven't actually poured a shot with it. So with wireless mode, so the initial Apollo device was this mess of wiring. So I went from this. The new one is this, so it just has 4 connectors that allow you to splice into the paddle. But now there's actually even a wireless mode, so if you don't want to wire into it at all, you lose control of the paddle, which makes sense, but it will connect to your scale and it will say, hey, I think a shot is actually running based on the flow rate, and then it will tell you when to stop based on your configured shot target, and then it will show you metrics about your shot afterwards. So I've never tried this. Obviously, it can be a little tricky to tell you when to stop when there's human reaction time involved. So we'll see how close it gets to the 52. So let's put this on here. Actually, I need to put the shot in here first. Put a filter. And obviously it doesn't know you're going to start a shot, so it can't tear the scale before you start the shot, but it can do the math to figure out the starting weight minus the end weight and what the actual shot was. So we're at 361. It's set for 52, so we should end up around 413 or something like that, give or take. So let's try it out. I'm going to start my shot, and first nothing will happen, and then it should detect. See, it says detect under the timer. It should detect that there's a shot running and then help me stop it. Okay, so first nothing's happening. My pre-infusion's going. And it starts. Okay, and watch the device. At some point, there we go. So it's detecting that we're 10 seconds into a shot. And it'll flash at me, and I'll flip the paddle when it flashes at me. Okay. So we ended up with 53.2 out of 52 grams, 29.8 second shot, roughly. So we're at 414, we expected to be at 413, so I would say that's a success. Pretty cool.